The magnificent Western Ghats, home to the southwest monsoon rains, beautiful waterfalls, appealing hill stations, dense coffee plantations, mighty forts, and much more. Burrowed in the long chain of mountains is the Palghat Gap, a nature's gift to Tamil Nadu and also the focus of today's video. MedConnect has taken it up on popular demand from our subscribers. We are thankful for your suggestions and support. The Palghat Gap, a low mountain pass in the Western Ghats, is located near Palakkad, the land of paddy fields, and Coimbatore, the Manchester of India. It acts as an umbilical cord between the states of Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Boasting an average elevation of 140 meters and a width of approximately 30 kilometers, this gap is located between the two iconic hill ranges, Nilgiri Hills to the north and Anamalai Hills to the south. The first theory states that the gap was caused by a landslide due to the rivers flowing in opposite directions. As many as 17 rivers, both tributaries as well as distributaries, flow through the district of Palakkad. In particular, the Bharatapuzha river, originating from the Western Ghats, flow through the Palghat Gap, with many tributaries joining it, including the Tirur river. The second theory is based on the rifting of tectonic plates. It has been postulated that the Palghat Gap marks the place where the Indian plate broke from the Angavo Mountains in Madagascar. The Angavo entrapment in Madagascar and the Palghat Gap fit perfectly into each other. Thanks to the close link between India and Madagascar, the flora and fauna of Madagascar show a close affinity to India than to Africa. It's anyone's guess as to which theory is more representative of the nature's marvel called Palghat Gap. In our opinion, it is a combination of both, the rift of tectonic plates and river erosion. The Palghat Gap has played a major role in enabling human migration into Kerala from parts of Tamil Nadu. It is also one of the important trade routes between these two states. Apart from this, the role of Palghat Gap in weather dynamics is indispensable, especially for Tamil Nadu. The vast width of this gap allows the moisture-laden southwest monsoon winds to enter the western Tamil Nadu. This keeps the summer temperatures in check by allowing more rainfall in the region relative to the rest of Tamil Nadu. No wonder the city of Coimbatore, placed near this gap, experiences a pleasant climate year-long. During the northeast monsoon season, the moist winds from the Bay of Bengal are able to reach the eastern parts of Kerala thanks to the gap. This ensures perennial rainfall activity over some parts of Kerala. No wonder the lush green forests are situated around this region. Located roughly 325 kilometers south of the Palghat Pass is another passage for the wind inflow, known as the Aryangavu Pass. This opening on the Western Ghats side, adjacent to the southern districts of Tamil Nadu, is an important player during southwest monsoon season because the moisture-filled winds for southern Tamil Nadu enter through this pass close to the district of Tenkasi in Tamil Nadu. This, along with the Aralvaimozhi Pass, are the primary reasons why southern Tamil Nadu districts of Tirunelveli, Kanyakumari and Tenkasi get heavy rains, without which these districts would be left bone dry. Tamil Nadu is generally known to receive the bulk of its rain from the northeast monsoon season. This doesn't hold true for the western and southern districts of Tamil Nadu. Due to the presence of Palghat Gap, these districts receive almost 80% of their rains from the southwest monsoon season. Nature's gift indeed. Apart from just being passages for the monsoon winds to flow in, these places like the Palghat Gap, Aryangavu Pass and Aralvaimozhi Pass also act as an important source of wind energy. Palghat Gap is a great example to explain one of the common fluid dynamics phenomena, the nozzle effect. As wind flows from a larger area to a smaller area, its speed increases, closely representing a nozzle effect. As the winds from the Arabian Sea flow towards the Western Ghats, they converge into this narrow zone of Palghat Gap, resulting in very high wind speeds. This funnels the winds blowing from the west onto Coimbatore and Tirupur districts in Tamil Nadu, making the region one of the major wind power generation areas. The average annual wind speeds are around 18 to 22 km per hour. Most of the windmills in Kerala and Tamil Nadu are positioned in and around this region, extracting the huge energy potential from these fast moving winds. A small opening always leads to bigger things is an archaic saying. This definitely bodes well for the Palghat Gap. Despite being a tiny part of the mighty Western Ghats, the dynamics it brings along is truly amazing. Do visit this nature's wonder when you are in the vicinity of Palakkad and Coimbatore. And when you do so, play this video in the background, sit back and enjoy the breeze. Thank you for watching this video. Please share this with your family and friends. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for instant notification. Until then, this is Sriram Sridhar signing off for MedConnect.